What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 won't send MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is not good. So move to area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals you will start sending the MMS messages. But if you're still facing issue, then remember to enable mobile data. So if your mobile data is off, then you will not be able to send the MMS messages. So turn on mobile data, and after that your phone will start sending the messages. Now after turning on mobile data, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the MMS messages issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your Redmi 13 won't send MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.